Color water in a plate. Light a candle inside it and put a glass upside down. What do you observe? The candle blew off and the water rose off. Here, lack of oxygen lowers the atmospheric pressure. Hey, hi, welcome to Kidso'lab. Let me to explain those science experiments or the magic. So here, take water and put some sanitizer in it and light it. It will act as an invisible fire. Take a glass of water, put an egg inside it. What do you observe? The egg is settled down in the bottom of the glass. Now add spoonful of salt into it and stir it well. Now put the egg into it. What do you observe? Now the egg is floating. How is it? Egg is less denser than the salt water, so it floats in salty water. Let's go to the next experiment. Take some vegetable oil in a glass and add some colors and stir it well. Keep a glass of water on flashlight and add the mixture into the glass of water. As oil is less denser than water, so it will float. Colors will settle down in the bottom of the glass. So here we go, lava lamp is ready. Now, take a glass of water and burn the glass. What do you observe here? Glass will melt till the water level. Because of the water, this heat cannot reach the temperature to burn the glass. Next, move to the next experiment. Roll a paper. Test it with the gum. Take a glass. Put a roll in a fork diagonally and keep it on the glass. Now, burn the paper from one end and observe it. The smoke is flowing downwards. Now burn the candle. And put the water inside it and observe. Oh no, how is it possible? The candle is not blowing off. Just take out the glass. The candle is outside of the glass. Keep the balloon on the burning candle. Oh, it will burst out. Now keep the balloon filled water on candle. What happens here? Here balloon does not burst. Why is it so? Because the water rubber does not reach the temperature sufficient for it to burst. Now move to the next experiment. Burn a paper. Immediately it will catch fire and turn to ashes. Now take the test tube. As you know, it is made up of glass, and hold it tightly with the paper so that none of the air can pass through it. And now burn it again. Here you can see the paper is not burning, leaving black mark on it. Now Pinch a balloon filled water and it will burst out. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon for further notification. But if we will put the sellotape from all the sides by leaving only a simple place. Now pinch it again. What do you observe? The balloon is not bursting. It is acting like a tap. Here the tape reinforces the rubber and does not allow it to stretch to the breaking point. Now to the next one. Take a plastic bottle and make holes in a line from all the sides. Seal the hole with the sellotape. And then put water inside it. Now take out the tape. Here you can see that the water is not coming out of this holes. Why is it so? Now open the cap and the water is coming out of it. What is the science behind of this? Here, the atmospheric pressure opposes the water to coming out of the holes. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Stay tuned for its next part. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.